It's Laurie with Southern Charm Chalk with Laurie. Thank you for stopping by today and watching. I wanted to do a little Christmas ink project with you. So let's get started. All right, on here you can see this is the ink project I am doing. I found these pretty little dish towels or tea towels, however you want to call them. I found these at a local department store and I thought these would just be perfect. I have the perfect transfer. It's called Baking Spirits Bright and it's a little gingerbread man. And then you put the add the little embellishments on here. I thought this would just be adorable for this towel. So I am going to try that, okay? about that? Isn't he cute? I think that would make an adorable addition to anybody's kitchen. Now, what I will need to do for this is to let this stay. I will let it dry 24 hours before I go and use my heat press. I do have an easy press, and I also have a clamshell, the big clamshell type heat press. But you don't have to have either one of those. You can use your own iron, and you iron it for about 4 minutes on a high setting. I will look to make sure what setting, but you put it on that setting on both sides. And when you feel it, if you still feels tacky, it's not quite ready. When it becomes a part of the fabric, it is ready at that point. So I just love this. Don't you love this? How cute. Now I do have this on one of our mats. I use a sticky mat. That's to help because the ink does go through, and I don't want it to go through on the, it will probably on the other side, but I don't want it to go through on my mat. So if you're interested, this is my online web store. This is my online store on the web, chalkcouture.com/Laurie Hamilton. And I also am on Instagram, Southern Chalk Girl _Laurie. I would appreciate it if you would go and follow me. Also, I am on YouTube, Southern Charm Chalk with Laurie, and that is also my Facebook name, my Facebook business name. I hope you enjoyed this today. This was fun to do. It really, really was. I enjoyed it. So be looking for, if you go to YouTube and you click subscribe, make sure you click that bell so that you'll get notifications of when I come on live, because I do put videos up pretty frequently. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you, and I will see you later.